TeMana Noni Collagen has officially launched, and we are here to tell you all about it. This is your Morinda Minute. Some of you might be wondering, what is collagen? Collagen is a protein in the body that plays an important role in your appearance. The collagen in our bodies works to keep our skin firm, smooth, and healthy throughout time. But as we get older, our bodies produce less and less of that collagen. That's why we created TeMana Noni Collagen. By drinking just one bottle of TeMana Noni Collagen a day, along with your daily dose of Tahitian noni juice, this works to prevent wrinkles, maintain firmness, and improve the overall health of your skin. As you know, here at Morinda, we love to center all of our products around Tahiti and Tahitian noni. So what sets our product above other collagen products out there is the noni enhances the effects of collagen as well as helps it absorb better into your body. Earlier this year, we had some of our Morinda family try out TeMana Noni Collagen, and the reviews have been absolutely amazing. Tianyi Lu said, "I drink TeMana Noni Collagen every day. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and dry spots. I will be drinking it every day to keep young and beautiful." So you guys, achieving younger looking skin has never been so easy. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the link down below or in our bio to get your very own TeMana Noni Collagen. Thanks for watching.